Hi guys, quick question. Why it is so hard to increase my account balance by 10x? First of all, you are using outdated information in this video. I will only share proven experience that you can apply. Second of all, you probably don't have clear rules for entering a trade. We will fix that too. Third of all, you don't know how to allocate your balance. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video as well. Let's fix literally 3 of these points and your balance will go to the sky. But I advise you to practice first. In order not to complicate anything, in this video I will demonstrate the simplest strategy built on levels with the help of an auxiliary indicator, which will confirm our signals. What we need to work in general. For the beginning, you must understand what is a horizontal level and how they are formed. That is the most basic information that we have. Is we take any reversal point and we draw a horizontal line through these points approximately parallel to the y-axis. Here we have, for example, these 2 points here. We have drawn a horizontal area that is a zone of interest for us and from which the chart can get some reactions. That is, such an area is on top. It can be drawn through several reversals. The SSI indicator will help us in trading. Of course, it is added very easily on the Pocket Option platform. Just click on it once and expand it to the full screen so that it was very visible as well. Make it as big as possible. Now, what do we need to know? Let me open up my first trade. We are going to talk about a lot of things in this video, but for now we need to place one bet. Our first bet should be as confident as possible, so I take this situation into account. I am going to open a trade and I open a trade on the counter trend. Now I will explain everything to you. Look, first of all, we have a level here. There is a level at the bottom and there is a level at the top. We draw it like this here. We have a horizontal level respectively. Now we are updating our local maximum volume, which is in the zone. And this is very good because we are now removing liquidity before moving down. Plus, we pay attention to the SSI indicator. What we need to know is that we have a normal zone. And as soon as the fast indicator of the SSI indicator, we have a normal zone. And accordingly, I have given you maximum relevant concentrated information. And you need to remember why the trade entry was made now. First, we have updated the high with you. Let's put it in the bold. Updating the maximum always indicate the next sell-off. It is the same with updating the minimum. So we have a minimum. If the prices comes to the minimum, most likely we will update it and get some correction. The confirming indicator we have is SSI. It should be either overbought. I mean that above the 100 zone when we open a trade on the downside, or oversold when we open a trade on the upside. It is very simple. So let's consolidate the theory on the following trading situation. I am interested in the following situation. The trading view indicator shows us that we have come to the zone of interest, preparing to open a trade. Let's make one more trade. I will be about 50% of the deposit. I don't want to take that much risk. Also, for 1 minute, what prompted to make the trade? Again, first we update the minimum volume. Second, we see an oversold indicator. Moreover, the chart is falling and the indicator is growing. This tells us that some, at least small local upward movement should take place soon. This is what we are betting now. We are left with the third point because I have given you all the relevant information and clear criteria for entering the trade. The last point is risk management balance distribution. This is also an incredibly important part of trading. And in 20 seconds, when we close the trade, we will talk about it. To be honest, it is not a very confident situation, but I am sure that the market will continue to go, so we load another position also on 50% of the balance. Risk management, what its peculiarity when you want to increase your deposit tenfold. You must understand, if you do it quickly, you face huge risks. That is now I have to make trades on 50-10 at all. This should be a maximum confidence situation. So you should clearly understand that the criteria for entry and the rationale for your trade. I mean, I am not confident in my trade. We have literally 3 seconds left. The market continues its growth and we take another profit. So guys, let's open up an up trade here. You don't have to use this automatic indicator in TradingView at all. It just helps us to find the levels that are important for us. So if you are a beginner and you don't know it, you can use it in general. But what is the advantage of your own analysis? You can trade on OTS pairs from broker at any time with a payout of 92%. Here we have a very typical situation. We have a level. We remove the liquidity by updating to the minimum value. Then we have a divergence on the SSI indicator and the chart, because the chart is failing. We see it here and the indicator is growing. So we expect an upward movement. From here now we have to make another trade also on the upside, because unfortunately this trade, even after this rising candle, we did not close in the plus very good. That I made a trade only for 50% of the deposit, because now I have the opportunity to get our balance back. So in 5 seconds we will close the trade. This situation is still relevant, so I am loading 50% again from my balance and open another trade waiting for the growth. So after 20 seconds we have a trade closing. I think it's obvious what it is. Plus story. Very good. We continue to follow our tactics and we see the indicators in the sides already in normal zone. So we will not trade. For those who need instructions on how to add this indicator to the TradingView platform, text me at the link from the description and I will show you how to set up this chart along with automatic levels. So guys, let's enter a trade here on the upside. I'll take the time of 2 minutes just in case we updated this minimum value. We have a huge divergence between the oscillator and the chart. Look for yourself. And so now I really want the market to turn. We do everything strictly according to the strategy. Damn it guys, I don't argue. We are lucky. The trade updated the minimum and now we have 2 trades, very thin, but it closes in the plus and our balance is almost increased 10 times. We can continue on this currency pair. I'm absolutely sure that the market will turn around sooner or later after all these falls, and we are at the right point to open positions. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video brought to you by the Take Profit team. See you very soon guys. Bye bye.